What if I told you that 95% of viral kitchen cleaning hacks are completely fake or ineffective, but there are 5 that actually work so well they'll transform your kitchen maintenance forever? What if I spent 2 weeks testing every hack I could find so you don't have to waste time on methods that fail? I tried 20 different kitchen hacks, and only 5 delivered real results. Stay with me, because these 5 will save you hours of cleaning time and actually solve your toughest kitchen problems. The viral hack disappointment. You've seen them, those satisfying videos showing miraculous kitchen transformations. Just use this one ingredient. This hack changes everything. You get excited, you try it, and nothing. It doesn't work. Or it works marginally. Or it actually makes things worse. You feel deceived and frustrated. You've wasted time and money on supplies for hacks that failed to deliver, and you go back to struggling with the same kitchen cleaning problems, now more skeptical than ever. Hack 1. The Dishwasher Vinegar Reset. The hack: place a bowl of white vinegar on the top rack. Run the hottest cycle empty. The result: this actually works brilliantly. My dishwasher had developed a musty smell and wasn't cleaning as effectively. One vinegar cycle and the smell was completely gone. Dishes came out noticeably cleaner on subsequent cycles. This hack dissolves built-up grease and mineral deposits while disinfecting. Cost: less than 50 cents. Effectiveness: 10 out of 10. Do this monthly for optimal dishwasher performance. Hack 2. The Baking Soda Drain Deodorizer. The hack: pour half-cup baking soda down drain, follow with half-cup vinegar. Wait 15 minutes, flush with hot water. The result: this works perfectly for eliminating drain odors. My kitchen sink drain had that typical sour smell. This method neutralized it completely. The fizzing action also helps break down minor buildup. It won't unclog severe blockages, but for odor removal and light maintenance, it's incredibly effective. Cost: less than 50 cents. Effectiveness: 9 out of 10. Do weekly for odor-free drains. Hack 3. The Lemon Microwave Steam Clean. The hack: cut lemon in half, place in bowl of water, microwave 3 minutes, wipe interior with cloth. The result: this is genuinely effective. The steam loosens dried food splatter, and the lemon provides natural cleaning power and fresh scent. What used to require 15 minutes of scrubbing now takes 2 minutes of wiping after the steam treatment. The key is wiping immediately while the microwave is still warm and moist. Cost: the price of a lemon. Effectiveness: 9 out of 10. Perfect for weekly microwave maintenance. Hack 4. The Dawn Dish Soap Degreaser. The hack: mix warm Dawn dish soap with baking soda to form paste. Apply to greasy stovetop. Let sit 10 minutes. Wipe clean. The result: this combination works exceptionally well on grease. I had burnt-on grease around my burners that I'd been fighting for weeks. This paste method removed it with minimal scrubbing. The Dawn breaks down oil, while baking soda provides gentle abrasion. Cost: about 50 cents. Effectiveness: 10 out of 10. Best degreasing hack I've ever tested. Hack 5. The Salt and Lemon Cutting Board Restorer. The hack: sprinkle coarse salt on cutting board. Scrub with lemon half. Let sit 5 minutes. Rinse. The result: this actually removes stains and odors from wooden cutting boards. I had turmeric stains I thought were permanent. This method lightened them by about 80%. The salt provides abrasion. The lemon's acid bleaches and disinfects. It won't make an old board look brand new, but it's the most effective natural cleaning method for wood. Cost: the price of half of a lemon and a pinch of salt. Effectiveness: 8 out of 10. Why most hacks fail. Viral hacks often prioritize visual satisfaction over actual effectiveness. They show dramatic before and after using extreme cases, perfect lighting, and sometimes undisclosed chemical assistance. The real test is: does this work for normal people with normal dirt in normal conditions? Most hacks fail this test. The 5 I've shared pass this test repeatedly. Now you have 5 kitchen cleaning hacks that actually work: dishwasher vinegar reset, baking soda drain treatment, lemon microwave steam, Dawn and baking soda degreaser, and salt lemon cutting board restorer. If this saved you from wasting time on fake hacks, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for honest testing and real results. Share with anyone tired of disappointing viral hacks. Comment which one you're trying first. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, trust tested methods, skip the hype, and enjoy a genuinely clean kitchen.